someone's gonna love ya. Of course I do. If I didn't, I might as well check it all in and only my legs. I got to know the creature. I'm telling you, fellas, you gotta look under the sun inside the lily pad. So why not let your brother fall?
Well, out that front truck needs to west. It's done to make you look depressed. It's better if the corners both point north. So that's the idea.
With the island, there's no evening sky. Even some tales have got inside. I'm telling you, fellas, out there, someone's gonna love ya.
Warts and all. Out there in a muddy puddle, someone needs to cuddle. Those and small.
It's true, darling, whenever you one day you'll be roosting with a man. Oh, it may take time to find it. When you do, you'll have a ball.
'Cause out there somewhere someone's gonna lose ya.
Warts and all. Don't you?
Somewhere out there, we don't know where. Someone will care. They're gonna love ya, warts and all. Somewhere out there.
Get into it. Tyrannosaurus Rexy, someone find me sexy in my way. So it may take time to find it. When you do, you'll have a ball. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Warts will love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Someday you'll be roosting with a mix. So it may take time to find us. When you do, you'll have a ball. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Out there somewhere, someone's gonna. Warts and all. Warts and all. Warts and all.
No jazz hands. I mean, no spirit.
You gotta have spirit.
There's no music here. Come on. All right, fine. We'll have for spirit. Can I get an amen for the spirit midnight?
Amen.
Right? Okay, yeah.
All right, Honk 2008 rehearsal signing off.